और बेटा आज रिजल्ट निकलने वाले थे ना, कैसा हुआ बताओ बताओ।
सारा दिन मोबाइल में बैठा रहता है, पढ़ाई तो करनी ही नहीं है तुम्हें।
ये क्या पढ़ाई हुई, ये करने भेजा था ट्यूशन।
Not using your full potential.
नंबर दोगे तब तो पढ़ाई होगी। ट्यूशन के नाम पे घूमने जाते हो क्या?
स्कूल का टेंशन, सबका अटेंशन, दोस्त हो या अंकल करते हैं मेंशन। Can do better, 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 सब बोलते हैं। फ्री में तो मुंह अपना सब खोलते हैं। दुनिया तो कहती है आगे बढ़ो, पर कैसे करें ये सब सोचते हैं। पढ़ता ही रहता था मैं आंख अपनी खोल के, और याद करता था चीजों को 10 बार बोल के। नकली सी किताबें जिसने ज्ञान सारा छोड़ के सिखाया मुझको आगे बढ़ना असलियत को मोड़ के। आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा तुझको पढ़ाते हैं, कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं। बस पढ़ना नहीं, 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 समझना भी है, सिर्फ समझना नहीं, बरतना भी है। पढ़ने का मतलब सिर्फ रटना नहीं, रटे बिना मार्क्स लाना भी है। Will do better, अब करते हैं, सारी जिम्मेदारी हम लेते हैं। सिर्फ बेटर नहीं, अब बनोगे बेस्ट, फुल गारंटी हम देते हैं। आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा तुझको पढ़ाते हैं, कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा तुझको पढ़ाते हैं, कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं।
तब तो पढ़ाई होगी। ट्यूशन के नाम पे घूमने जाते हो क्या?
Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome to today's class guys, and today we are talking about Prodigy series for CBSE 9. This is the third session of this topic. We are discussing triangles, and today we'll talk about some properties of special triangles, and in particular we'll talk about isosceles triangle. ठीक है, तो guys, as you all know, we have already finished the congruency. We have finished all the rules: SAS rule, ASA rule, AAS rule, SSS rule, and RHS rule of congruency. All the 5 rules we have already completed in the previous 2 sessions. So if you have not watched those, do watch them as well, because that will be like clearing all the doubts which you are getting in the concepts of congruency. Okay guys, so if you all remember, I gave you a homework question in the last class. So the question is this: ABC is an isosceles triangle with AV equal to AC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC and show that angle B is equal to angle C. Okay, so how do you solve this question? Beta, देखो, very easy. Suppose this is our triangle given over here. All right, A, B, C. And here it is given that AB is equal to AC. Draw a perpendicular AP perpendicular to BC. Show that angle B is equal to angle C. So this I have told you, this will be the basis of our today's chapter, today's session. So this proof is very important. ठीक है. So what it says कि suppose in an isosceles triangle two sides are equal, the angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. So for that we'll prove the congruency. I can say sir, in triangle APB and triangle APC. ठीक है guys, first thing, angle APB is equal to angle APC, both are 90 degrees, right sir? Then AB is equal to AC is given, right sir? And then I can say AP is the common side. So by right angle hypotenuse side rule, by RHS rule, I can say triangle APB is congruent to triangle APC, and if they are congruent, I can clearly say by CPCT angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT. ठीक है? So this is how this question will be done. Alright, so this was your homework question. We'll be discussing this theorem further. So the students who have given me the correct answer We have Tia Sharma, Namandeep, Future Vedantu MT. Wow, nice, yeah, nice, yeah. People, you are getting motivated to be MT. That means somewhere something we are doing right. So very happy right now. And Maria, these are the students who have given the correct answer. Now let us start the class, guys. Those who don't know me, my name is Gopal Paliwal. I am a master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. I have done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad and I have been teaching from the past 5 years. Alright guys, you can see the credentials on your screen. Alright, ठीक है बच्चों, चलो भाई, let's go for our last session for this topic, some properties of a triangle. Alright, so this will be the type of question which we will be solving by the end of the class. Alright, don't worry, the question is comparatively not that difficult, है ना, if you understand the concept. I have told you again and again, geometry is all about focusing on the diagram. If you understand the diagram, if you focus on the diagram, everything will be clear. Alright, one more thing guys, please don't forget to join Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channels Telegram group. When you join Telegram group guys, you can you'll be able to get the regular schedules, fastest updates, all the notifications you'll get over there. ठीक है, तो first thing beta, some properties of a triangle. What it says, number 1, angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangles are equal. ठीक है, now let's understand what it says. It is telling you that suppose if you have a triangle, in which two sides are equal, which is an isosceles triangle. ठीक है, so suppose if it is a triangle ABC, and in which AB is equal to AC is given, then remember the angle opposite to the equal side. So opposite to AB we have C, opposite to AC we have B. So in triangle ABC, if AB is equal to AC, then you can clearly say angle B is equal to angle C. ठीक है, and this is the same theorem which we have done. How do you prove it? Simple guys, you will prove it by drawing an altitude over here, by dropping an altitude over here, and this altitude P, both the triangles will be congruent by RHS rule, and you can prove it, which was your homework question. ठीक है, so we can say if two sides are equal in a triangle, the angle opposite to the equal sides are also equal. ठीक है, now its converse is also true. What does it converse is? It converse is, suppose if you have a triangle ABC, in which I have given you that angle B and angle C are equal. So if I give you that angle B is equal to angle C, then also you can say when two angles are equal, side opposite to them will be equal. So opposite to B we have side AC, opposite to C we have side AB. Then I can say AB is equal to AC. Now if you have to prove it, proving for that same thing again guys, you will do one thing, you will drop a perpendicular pre, alright, 90 degree over here. Now you can see, देखो, angle side rule. By AAS rule you can prove triangle APB. Triangle APB will be congruent to triangle APC by angle side rule. देख लो, angle P 90 over here, angle P 90 over here. Angle B is equal to angle C, so angle, and the side, oh sorry, ulta. First I will write angle B is equal to angle C, then I will say angle APB is equal to angle APC, both are 90 degree, and then I will say AP is equal to AP. ठीक है, तो angle side rule, both triangles are congruent, and once they are congruent we can say by AB is equal to AC. ठीक है, so overall you have to remember this thing, that if two angles are equal in a triangle, sides opposite to them will be equal, and if two sides are equal in a triangle, angle opposite to them will be equal. And that is why guys, if we see at an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So in an equilateral triangle, since all sides are equal, so suppose if I consider these two, okay, suppose if I consider AB and AC, since AB and AC are equal, opposite to AB we have C, opposite to AC we have B, they must be equal. Then if I consider AC and BC, opposite to BC we have angle A, opposite to AC we have angle B. So if AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, then you can say angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. And since all are equal, you can take all of them as x, and x plus x plus x is equal to 180 degree. 3x is 180, so each angle is going to be 60 degree in equilateral triangle. So in an equilateral triangle, that is why all the angles are equal to 60 degree. Okay? Now look at this question, guys. Let's look at some questions. So what does this question says? This is in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. The bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. So we need to draw the diagram over here. Okay, let us draw the diagram. So we have an isosceles triangle AB is equal to AC. Okay, A, B, C, AB is equal to AC. All right. The bisectors of angle B and angle C. So bisectors of angle B and angle C. So this is bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Okay, these are the bisectors. Let's say they are intersecting at O. Join A to O. Let's join A to O. First thing, show OB is equal to OC, then AO bisects angle A. ठीक है. तो guys देखो, first thing यार, I know that in triangle ABC, I know AB is equal to AC given. If AB is equal to AC, I can say angle B is equal to angle C. Just now I have told you theorem. If two sides are equal, angle opposite to them will be equal. If angle B is equal to angle C, I can say angle B by 2, half of them are also going to be equal. That means this will be angle B by 2, this will also be angle B by 2, this is angle C by 2, this is also angle C by 2. This is B by 2, this is also B by 2, this is C by 2, this is also C by 2. ठीक है? अब बेटा let's look at triangle OBC. In triangle OBC, if you will look, I can say angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. Why? Because we know angle B by 2 is equal to angle C by 2. They are nothing but half of angle B by 2, half of angle B and half of angle C. They are equal. So if two angles are equal, side opposite to them is going to be equal. So we can say OB is equal to OC. First one proved. We have got OB is equal to OC. Now I have to prove that AO bisects angle A. So what I'll do, I will say, sir, in triangle AOB, and triangle AOC, listen carefully. First thing, guys, I can say AB is equal to AC given, right? Then I can say, sir, angle ABO is equal to angle ACO. Again same thing, because angle B by 2 is equal to angle C by 2, right? And then I can say BO is equal to CO. So which rule it is? Side angle side rule. So by SAS rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC, and then I can say by CPCT, this angle is equal to this angle. So I can say now that, what is happening? Now I can say that angle BAO. Haji. So now I can say that, sir, angle BAO is equal to angle CAO by CPCT, and if that is true, I can clearly say AO bisects angle A. ठीक है? So second one is proved over here. First one we have proved over here. Done? Easy question, right? So it's always important, beta, that you focus on the diagram. Try to get all the information which you can get from the given question. Understand it in the diagram. Make sure you note them in the diagram and then think about it. That's the key to solve the geometry questions. Now look at this question. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitude AE and BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB. So we got to know, it is given in the question that AB is equal to AC is given. Show that these altitudes are equal, and to prove, what we need to prove? That BE is equal to CF. So to prove this, obviously I need to talk about two triangles which include these two sides. So I can talk about the triangle ADE and triangle AFC, right? So now I can say, sir, in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. But the first thing which we know that, sir, here, let me just show you very clearly. The first thing, beta, if I will say over here that, sir, in these two triangles, na, I can say, sir, in triangle ABE, this angle is 90 degree, and in triangle ACF, this angle is 90 degree. So I can say, sir, angle AEB is equal to angle AFC, both are equal to 90 degree. All right. Then second thing, I can say angle A is the common angle. Angle A is the common angle, and then it is given that AB is equal to AC. Right? So you can see now they go angle, side, and for this triangle, angle, and side rule. So by angle, side rule, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF, and if they are congruent by CPCT, I can say BE is equal to CF by CPCT. ठीक है बच्चों? By CPCT, this will be correct. Alright? ठीक है बच्चा? So this is how this question will be solved. Clear है? Alright? चलो. Let's move ahead with the next question. But before I go for the next question, guys, let me tell you about Vedantu's Pro subscription. Now, what are the things that you are getting over here? So first thing, guys, let me tell you that you are getting guaranteed improvement. Alright, that's a guarantee. Guarantee means what? That we are telling you, bacha, that you will definitely improve. You will improve. It's not a say just keep it a you can, you might. No, you will improve when you're joining Vedantu's Pro subscription. That's a guarantee. And if you do not improve by the end of the year, your whole course fee will be returned. Now, no matter where you will go, you will never find this guarantee which Vedantu is giving to you. And this shows that how much trust we have in ourselves, in our teaching, and we know how much how the way we approach to our students. And that's why we give the guarantee for your improvement. Only thing we want that you just attend 75% of the classes allotted and 75% of the test, because it's not like he falls promise where you just purchase the course you'll improve. No, that's not true. After taking the course, you need to come to at least 75% of the classes. That means that you are regular into the class. You have to come to the class. We don't have any magic that you'll buy the course and you'll get to improve. No, you have to come to the class, but we'll make sure that once you come to the class, you'll be able to understand all the questions, all the topics, and you'll start getting interest in the subjects. That's our guarantee, and that's how you will see the improvement. Okay? Now, what are the features which you get with these courses, guys? So first and foremost, you get access to unlimited live classes. You can attend as many classes as you want. There is no restriction on the number of classes. Then students will be from the different parts of the world, so you'll be able to interact with them, and you'll be able to see where do you actually stand, how much hard work do you need to put in more. Alright, then there is interactive replay. That means even when you are watching the recording of a class, you'll be able to attend the quizzes. You'll be able to see your name in the leaderboard. You'll be getting marks for attending the quizzes. Alright, so now watching the replay will not be like a single way of transferring knowledge. You will be also able to check how much you have understood by attempting the quiz. So revision with the recordings will be interesting now. Also, notes in the handwriting of master teachers, test, assignments, everything at one place. Also, in the class, for taking care of your doubts, other than the master teacher, we have 2 or 3 extra dedicated teachers present in the class who will be connected to you throughout the session. They will be connected to you throughout the class, and they'll make sure that each and every doubt of yours is solved. So you will not go with a single doubt in your head. That's the guarantee. Alright, and then there are unlimited micro courses and crash courses available for you. You can join them as many times as you want. So this gives you the opportunity to study a topic as many times as you want, to revise a topic as many times as you want, and also to interact with different teachers. Right, you can take the class of some other teachers and see how they are teaching, which with teacher you are more comfortable, all rest. ठीक है, तो guys remember less is more, less price, more classes. The link is mentioned in the description box of this video for your registration as well as in the pinned comment as well. The important thing is don't forget this code GPE Pro, because this will get you 10% off in the prices, and that will be the minimum price at which you will be getting these courses. ठीक है, let me show you guys how can you register for it. So for example, say this is the video. Now in the pinned comment you can see over here, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. Click on this link, or you can come to the description box, and in the description box here you can see subscribe to Vedantu courses now. Click on this link. Once you click on this link, you'll be taking to this page, registration page. Here you have class 9th. Now you can select your board, CBSE, ICSE. If you want to do foundation courses for JEE or NEET, Maharashtra board, anything. In all these courses, GPE Pro will work. Alright, so let's say I'm talking about CBSE. ठीक है, so beta we have 3 types of courses: Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus, है ना? So Pro Lite is our most basic course, which gives you all the features which I have told you till now: live classes, test series, notes, assignments, and doubt solving in the class. So these are for those students who are already very motivated in their studies and they want the concept to be cleared, है ना, in detail. Alright, so for them it will be the best thing. Now there are some students who understand everything in detail, who understand everything in the class, but after the class when they start solving the question, you start getting doubts, right? So for you, Pro Classic is the course which I would recommend, because here you get unlimited doubt solving on mobile app. So in this beta you can ask as many doubts as you want on the mobile app, and all your doubts will get explanation and the solution for all your doubts. Okay, so there will no longer be any doubts, and you can see after applying GPE Pro the price is reduced by 10%. Here also see from 53 it has gone to 48 after applying GPE Pro. Now Pro Plus has one more extra feature. Other than the doubt solving on mobile app, it has one more extra feature of personal mentor. So personal mentor will act as a rigid support system for you, and will make sure that you go on a path of improvement. Any academic, any query you have, academic, non-academic, will be resolved by them. They'll be in constant touch with you. So this is for those friends who need, say, who are struggling with the subjects, who need extra support, more personalization. They'll be taking, if needed, they'll take your personal doubts classes as well, so that all your doubts are cleared. Okay, so that's the most personalized course. So the price is increasing because of the level of personalization. But let me make this point very clear, guys, that classes are same in all the 3 courses. There is no difference in the classes. It's all about what do you need after class, how much personalization you require after class. Okay, now if there is any other doubt or any other query which I was not able to say address, you can go to the bottom of this page, and here you can see frequently asked questions are there. You can ask, you can get the answer for any one of those. Okay, alright, now let me show you how the notes and all is going to look like. Suppose if you go in the past session, here you can see coordinate geometry. If you want to watch the replay, click on replay, and if you want to attend the quizzes also, click here on try alternate replay. Now here you'll be able to get the quizzes, everything over here. Okay, bacha. Now suppose if you want to get the notes, if you want notes, what you'll do, very simple, again go back to your past and click here on get notes. Once you click on get notes, you'll be able to see the notes of the session. You can see everything in the teacher's own handwriting. Okay guys, ठीक है बच्चों, तो this is all about the Vedantu's Pro subscription courses. Very good course for all of you, and I'm pretty sure that it will be very helpful for you. ठीक है, alright guys, चलो let's go for the next question. What it is saying, that sir, triangle ABC and DBC are isosceles triangle on the same base BC. Show that ABD is equal to angle ACD. Alright, ठीक है, it is equal. तो बेटा क्या करोगे इसके लिए? देखो first thing, यार I know in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, I can say angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. This is your equation 1. Alright, then I'll talk about triangle BDC. So in triangle BDC, I can say, sir, BD is equal to CD. So now I can say, sir, these two angles will also be equal. Yes or no? Angle DBC is equal to angle DCB. Alright, let's add both the equation. Equation 1 plus equation 2, if I do, I'll get angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB. So what I'm getting? ABC plus DBC is nothing but angle ABD, and ACB plus DCB is nothing but angle ACD, and that's how you can say hence proved. ठीक है बच्चों, that's how you can say hence proved. Okay, next question. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is 90 degree and AB is equal to AC. Find angle B and angle C. तो देखो बेटा, suppose if it is a right angle triangle, right angle is at A, let's say it is B and it is C. Now if they have given AB is equal to AC, the angle opposite to them will be equal. So let's say it is X degree and this is also X degrees. So if I use angles of property, X plus 90 is equal to 180 degree, you'll get 2X is equal to 90 and X is equal to 45 degree. ठीक है, easy question. But since AB is equal to AC, you can say angle B will be equal to angle C. Let's give both of them X degrees. Done? Alright guys, ठीक है. अच्छा, one more good news I would like to tell you all that guys, Vedantu has produced 120 plus selections in NTSE stage 1 across 17 states. Alright, so, and this is also not the final count yet, the count is increasing, so that's the good news, and you can also be a part of it. You can join Vedantu's NTSE courses as well. Alright, ठीक है बच्चों. अच्छा, let's go for our star question. What does the star question says? देखो, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. So guys, I know first thing, in triangle ABC, if we have AB is equal to AC, I can say angle B is equal to angle C. Or let me write the full name because angles can be different. So I can say angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Let's give them both of them X degrees. This and this both are equal. Let's say it is X degree. Let's say it is X degree. Then side BA, this BA is produced to a point D such that AD is equal to AB. अब बेटा देखो, I know AB is equal to AC, and now I know that AB is equal to AD as well. So things which are equal to the same thing. From here, I can clearly say that sir, AC is equal to AD, right? And now in triangle ACD, if I have AC is equal to AD, I can clearly say, sir, angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. Let's say it is Y degrees now. Alright, so this is Y degrees, this is also Y degrees. I have to show that angle BCD, this X plus Y, angle BCD is nothing but X plus Y. This is equal to 90 degrees. This is what I have to show. So what I'll do guys, I'll say, sir, in triangle BCD, let's apply the triangle's angle sum formula. So I can say, sir, in triangle BCD, I can say angle B plus angle C plus angle D should be equal to 180 degree. Angle B is X. Angle C, this complete angle is what? X plus Y. And angle D is Y degree is equal to 180. If you solve them, you'll get 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. If you take 2 comma shift there in division, you get x plus y is equal to 90. And x plus y is nothing but angle BCD. So angle BCD will be equal to 90 degree. Alright, hence proved. This is how this question will be done. देखो, easy question, है ना? Not that difficult at all. Alright, bachcho. So this is how this question will be done. With this, we have completed all the 3 topics of this session. Now this is a homework question which I am giving you, and you can also be a homework star. Just don't forget to give me the answer for this homework question in the comment sections. Alright, in the comment section of this video. Alright, so let me know what is the answer for this homework question in the comment section of this video, and you'll be the homework stars for the next session. Alright guys, so this is all in today's class. Please don't forget to like this video, share the video with your friends, subscribe if you are new here, and also the link for joining Vedantus Pro subscription is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the comment section. And remember guys, GPE Pro is your code to get 10% off. And remember guys, this price is not for completing a syllabus only once, because with unlimited micro courses you can study a topic as many times as you want, you can revise as many times as you want, and same way you can study, you can complete your syllabus as many times as you want. Alright, and also it comes with guaranteed improvement. If you don't see any improvement by the end of the year, take your whole course fee back. Alright guys, so remember the batches are starting very soon. Alright, now suppose you don't think the batches will start late, so I'll join when the batches will start. Don't do that. Take the class now, so that till the time the new batch is starting, in between you can start with micro courses, start studying, because time doesn't stop for anyone, time doesn't wait for anyone. Do not let the time pass more, take it now and enjoy the benefits. Alright guys, thank you so much, and GPE Pro is your code. Don't forget, if you can get some monetary benefit, get it. 10% off you are getting over here. So this is all guys, thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.